Hola! 25 common Spanish words and sentences you need to know. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the basics of Spanish with 25 common words and sentences. Whether you're planning a trip or want to impress your friends, this video is perfect. We'll cover greetings, farewells, and essential phrases. No prior knowledge needed, so sit back and relax. By the end, you'll use these words and sentences with confidence. Let's get started. Let's begin with a friendly greeting, hola. Now let's learn to say goodbye, adios. To make polite requests, use por favor. Chapter 4. Express your gratitude with a heartfelt gracias. Chapter 5. To apologize sincerely, say perdón. Sí means yes in Spanish. Chapter 7. To express a negative response, say no. Chapter 8. Amigo for male, amiga for a female friend. Chapter 9. Familia refers to your close loved ones. Chapter 10. Casa means house in Spanish. Chapter 11. Comida, food. Chapter 12. Agua, water. Stay hydrated with fresh agua. Chapter 13. Dinero is essential for transactions. Chapter 14. Trabajo refers to your occupation. Chapter 15. Escuela is the place for learning and growth. Chapter 16. Feliz, express joy with feliz. Trist, sad. Feeling down, say trist. Chapter 18. Bueno, good. Bueno means something positive or good. Chapter 19. Malo is used for negative situations or things. Chapter 20. Amor is a powerful emotion. Chapter 21. Dia refers to the daytime. Chapter 22. Noche is the time for restful sleep. Chapter 23. Tiempo is precious, so manage it wisely. Chapter 24. Miedo is a natural human emotion we all experience. Chapter 25. Salud, health, your well-being. Chapter 26. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hello, how are you? Start a conversation with hola, ¿cómo estás? It's a great way to begin.
Know you've been a good friend.
Chapter 27. ¿Cuál es tu nombre? What is your name? Chapter 28. Mi nombre es. Introduce yourself. Chapter 29. ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? Chapter 30. Soy de. State your origin with soy de. Chapter 31. Mucho gusto. Nice to meet you. Chapter 32. ¿Cuántos años tienes? Ask about age respectfully. Chapter 33. Tengo años. State your age confidently in Spanish. Chapter 34. ¿Qué hora es? What time is it? This is a very useful phrase for time inquiries in Spanish. Chapter 35. ¿Dónde está el baño? Where's the bathroom? This phrase is essential for finding the restroom. ¿Cuánto cuesta esto? How much does this cost? Use this phrase to ask prices while shopping. Chapter 37. Hablas Inglés. Do you speak English? Sometimes you need to ask about someone's language proficiency when traveling. Chapter 38. No entiendo. I don't understand. It's important to express confusion clearly when you don't understand something well. Chapter 39. Necesito ayuda. I need help. Ask for assistance when needed. Estoy perdido. I'm lost. Use this when disoriented. Chapter 41. Puedes repetir, por favor. Request repetition politely. Chapter 42. ¿Qué te gusta hacer? What do you like to do? Ask about hobbies, interests, and passions. Me gusta escuchar música. I like listening to music. Tengo hambre. I'm hungry. Express hunger when necessary. Tengo said, I'm thirsty. Let others know when you're thirsty. Estoy cansado, eh? I'm tired. It's natural to feel worn out after a long day. Que bonito. How beautiful. When you see something truly eye-catching, this is the perfect way to express admiration. Nos vemos mañana means see you tomorrow, a friendly goodbye. Buenas noches means good night, use it to wish good sleep. Te quiero mucho, this means I love you, a heartfelt way to express deep affection to your loved ones. Hasta luego, thanks for watching. We hope these words help you start your Spanish journey. Practice makes perfect, so use what you've learned in real-life conversations. Give a thumbs up and subscribe for more lessons. Hasta luego.